Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Red-Eyes Bird Creature. A Jamaican man who migrated and enrolled in the U.S. Army was sent to a certain base to get ready for a particular deployment. Most of the times the place was calm. There were a lot of trees and bushes. One night, he needed to use the bathroom. Another soldier was about to go to the bathroom also at the same time. The walk to the portable bathrooms was almost half a mile away. They were told by someone in the area that if they were walking around at night, they should tilt their heads to the right, or else the spirits would get them lost on the way back to the area of operations. They didn't listen. They thought they were just superstitions. On their way back, they ended up in front of a cemetery without knowing how they got there. They had to call their supervisor to send the location so they could find their way back.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
They attempted to go back using a shortcut, but encountered something in the swampy part of the bushes after passing a few snakes, and a baby crocodile that stood still as if they were frozen. The other soldier that was walking in front of the young man said that he felt like he had stepped on somebody's feet. All of a sudden their lights went dim as cold sweat washed them. It began to get hotter. The Jamaican man got a glimpse of something with red eyes, and they both could hear the wings flopping as if it was coming from a giant bird. Whatever was in front of them let out a loud and thunderous roar that they had never heard before. They ran off in the opposite direction, and the young man started to repeat a scripture that one of his pastors from Jamaica told him to keep reading because a time would come when he would need it. This scripture was 2 Thessalonians 3 verses 3 to 5. After repeating it, the area of operations appeared right in front of them clear as day. To this day, they still don't know what that creature was.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.